In this video, we'll talk about the Windows 11 21H2 update, KB5021234, what it brings, the problems it fixes, and a few things you need to watch out for before installing it. If you're still running version 21H2 of Windows 11, this cumulative update is an important one to keep your system secure and stable. Microsoft rolled out update KB5021234 on December 13, 2022, as part of its regular Patch Tuesday release. Once installed, your Windows 11 build number becomes 22000-1335. This update mainly focuses on improving security and fixing system reliability issues, especially for users experiencing network and authentication errors after recent changes to their setup. One of the key highlights of KB5021234 is the fix for DirectAccess connectivity issues. Before this update, some users couldn't reconnect to remote networks after temporarily losing internet access. That issue has now been resolved, so if you rely on DirectAccess for remote work, this update is definitely worth installing. Another major fix addresses problems related to the Data Protection API, also known as DPAPI. Some users faced decryption failures when trying to use certificate-based authentication, particularly for VPNs or Wi-Fi connections that rely on certificates. The update resolves these issues, helping users log in and connect to secure networks more reliably. In addition to security patches and bug fixes, KB5021234 also improves the Windows servicing stack. That's the component responsible for installing Windows updates. By updating this part of the system, Microsoft aims to make future updates smoother and more consistent, reducing the chances of installation failures or errors during the process. However, as with most Windows updates, some users have reported installation problems. The most common error code seen with KB5021234 is 0x800F081F, which indicates that certain files needed for the update might be missing or corrupted. If this happens to you, running the Windows Update Troubleshooter or using the DISM and SFC tools can often fix the issue. You can also manually download the offline installer from the Microsoft Update Catalog if the automatic update doesn't work. If your PC is still on Windows 11 version 21H2, you should also keep in mind that this version is nearing its end of service for many editions. That means Microsoft will soon stop providing security and quality updates for it. So after installing KB5021234, it's a good idea to start planning your upgrade to Windows 11 version 22H2 or later to continue receiving important patches and new features. To install this update, just go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If KB5021234 is available for your device, it should download and install automatically. Make sure to restart your PC afterward to complete the process and confirm that your build number is now 22000-335. In summary, the Windows 11 21H2 update, KB5021234, focuses on fixing remote network and authentication issues, improving system stability, and enhancing security. While it may not introduce flashy new features, it's an important maintenance update that helps your system stay secure and reliable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll stay updated on the latest Windows 11 news, updates, and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.